Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well during lockdown. I thought while being in lockdown, I would try and service my crank brother pedals. I've had them for a couple of months, and whilst riding with them, they started to develop a bit of a squeak. So I thought I'll just open them and see if it maybe just needs a bit more grease. And yeah, thought I'd do it on camera and show you guys what's inside and how to do it. And just to let you know, I haven't done it before, so I'll be learning as I'm filming. So over here I've got my Candy C Crank Brother pedals. As you can see, I mean, they're not too old. They're just, yeah, like I said, they've just been making squeaking noises as whilst busy riding. And I'm sure most of you know, while riding mountain bike, having something squeak is probably one of the most annoying things while out on the bike. So while I've got a bit of time during lockdown, I thought let's open them up and see what could be causing the squeak. So from what I can see, there's a flat screw thing on the end. Let's undo that. As I said, I haven't opened these before. This is going to be the first time I'm going to be doing this. And it looks like there's a little nut on the inside there. Let's see it. That seems to be an 8mm. Let's get the little socket. And then going to just need a 8mm Allen key as well, just to hold the ends to stop it from turning. Let's try and undo this. It seems like this whole center piece just pulls out. As you can see, I mean, it's not too dirty in there. It's got a little bit of wear. Inside there also doesn't look too bad. Let's see if I can push this out. No, that doesn't seem to push out. Okay, so I guess all we're going to do is just try and put a bit of grease on that bearing there. Put a bit of grease on the inside there, and then clean this up and put some fresh grease on there. Okay, so I've got another piece of paper towel there. Let's just clean this off. Make sure, see there's a little rubber seal here that stays down here. A little bit of wear on there to an end. And then what I'm going to do is take the tissue and also just try and clean up in here. Try and get as much dirt out as I possibly can, because I just can't see how to pull the whole thing apart. Seems to be a bit better. And what I'm going to be using is Balray waterproof grease. Unfortunately, I don't have any other bike specific grease. So just take a finger and let's just put some in here. You also don't want to put too much that it just clogs up everything, and then while you're riding that, the dirt is just going to get in there and probably start making more creaking sounds. But you want just enough to make sure everything moves smoothly with this inside the bearing and the pedal. Okay. And I would like to try and put some on the inside there as well. What I'm going to do is just use a little flat screwdriver. Just put some in there. Put some around this bearing as well. And then it does just put the shaft back in. Just make sure you put it in the right way. As you can see, there seems to be this thing here that just push in and seal it. Put the neck back on. Just using my hand to get it on there first, and then need the ratchet and Allen key again, and just tighten it, and you feel it literally just stop, like it just locks, and it still feels nice and smooth. Put this little end cap back in. Now what I think I'm going to do is also just spray a bit of WD-40 on here, and just make sure all of this isn't just metal on metal. Give a little bit of lubricant between everything, just to move a bit easier. And that's it. Servicing your crank with the pedals. Fortunately, I won't be able to go and test it right now, as with us down in South Africa in lockdown, we're not allowed to go riding out. But I'm sure this would have done the trick and stopped the squeaking sound coming from the pedals. It was really annoying. And yeah, what I'm going to do is do the other one now, and then yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please go and like it and subscribe. And if there's anything else you guys want to see bicycle related, please just leave a comment, and let's see if we can get some more videos out during lockdown. As yeah, I'm home and trying to just find content to do, seeing as we can't go out on the trails. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.